Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Tasty Cooking. My name is Nazim and today we're going to make for you an Indian Asian style dessert called milk pudding or China grass as some of you may know it as. Agar agar is the main ingredient in this recipe. Now agar agar cannot easily be found in your local supermarket. So the best thing is to maybe order it online on Amazon or eBay. However, many independent Asian supermarkets may also have it, so please check there to see if they have it in stock. Agar agar is a jelly-like substance obtained from red algae. It has been used in desserts throughout Asia for many years. Agar agar is a natural vegetable gelatine counterpart. So if you don't eat pork or meat, then you can use agar agar as a substitute when making things like jelly or other desserts that normally use gelatin. So let's have a look at the ingredients and let's get started with this recipe. So for our ingredients we require 350 ml of full fat milk, half a cup of agar agar strips, 6 pistachios which have been crushed, a third cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 250 ml of water. First we add 250 ml of water to the agar agar strips. We need to leave the agar agar strips to soak for about 20 minutes. We need to put the 350 ml of full fat milk into a saucepan and then heat it up on a medium heat. After 5 minutes of heating, keep stirring the milk to avoid the milk from sticking to the pan. As the milk begins to simmer, we now need to add a third cup of sugar to the milk saucepan. Now we need to mix the sugar in with the milk, and we need to make sure that the milk is not going to stick to the pan, so make sure you check the sides of the saucepan, make sure that the bottom is not sticking either. Once the sugar has been mixed in, we now need to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the saucepan. Now we need to stir the mixture and wait for the milk to boil. Once the milk has boiled, give it a stir. On this final stir, we want to make sure that the milk does not stick to the saucepan. So we need to make sure our edges are clear and the bottom of the pan is clear, and to prevent the milk from sticking to the pan. And now we can turn off the cooker and remove our pan from the hob. After 20 minutes, we need to get our agar agar mixture and pour it into another saucepan. We need to put it into a medium heat and then give it a stir until the agar agar dissolves into the water. After a few minutes, we can see that the agar agar has dissolved into the water. Now we need to add the dissolved agar agar mixture to the hot milk mixture. Give the final mixture a stir and let it cook for 5 minutes more. Now pour the mixture into a bowl. We want to let it cool for 15 minutes until it cools down to a room temperature. Once that's done, we need to put the bowl into the fridge for 4 hours. After 4 hours in the fridge, we can see our mixture has formed into a jelly-like texture. We now want to cut around the edges of our dessert. Now if we turn it upside down, if we give it a few taps, we can now see our dessert has formed. Now we can take our 6 crushed pistachios and garnish our milk pudding. Now let's cut out a couple of slices and get it ready to serve. Here we have it, guys. Does it look good enough to eat? I think it will go well with a tea or a coffee. Hi guys, I hope you've enjoyed the milk pudding recipe. Now we've used a 1/3 cup of sugar. If this is too much sugar for you, or if it is too sweet for you, then please reduce it to about a 1/4 cup of sugar. You can alternatively use a natural sweetener like stevia or erythritol. That may be better suited for you. Please leave your comments and questions in the section below. If you've enjoyed this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.